You are beautiful. You are tall. You are well adjusted. You are beautiful. You are tall. You are well adjusted. You are beautiful. You are tall. You are well adjusted. You are beautiful. You are tall. You are well adjusted. You are beautiful. You are tall. That was just my walkout music, you know, like a wrestler or a fighter has. I was listening to my walkout music, you know, just to get pumped up for you guys. It's exactly what I was listening to. You know, just boost my confidence, you know? My confidence that's already there, just like take it from like a 10 to an 11 or 12, 12 and a half. It really gets me going, you know? Cool. Yeah, totally. Right on. Yeah, right on. Totally. Oh my. Can you tell we've been in isolation for like, we're on month 2. It's making me go crazy. Oh my God, I think I am going crazy. I needed a change of scenery. I talk a lot about fixing things yourself, how important that is to me. I've sort of trained myself to get more joy out of successfully fixing something than buying the new version of it. I can't get out of my mind where that old thing is gonna go. It's gonna go into a landfill, so you know they're not gonna be able to recycle it. I get a better dopamine hit out of fixing something successfully, because it's not always successful, than buying the new version. That's why I'm a few generations behind on my camera. It's not worth putting this one aside to just get a couple incremental features. I've only bought gear when I know that it's gonna change the game for me. I hate that phrase, game changer. Corporate speak. So the one thing I like is buying really good quality things, and one of those things are these Sony headphones that I love. They're my favorite headphones, super comfortable, but because they're comfortable, the ear pads wear out super easy. And I don't know why I just put off replacing them, because I figured you had to disassemble them and take them apart and all of this stuff. But I just YouTubed how to do it, and it literally is a 5-minute fix that sort of rescues 150 pair of headphones. And because I'm fixing things myself, I can invest in really nice new replacement ear pads for this. I sprung for some sheepskin ones, which, I don't know, make me think that they're gonna last longer, but we'll see. You are beautiful, you are smart, you have a good vlog, you are tall, you are dashing,